Alright, so I'm well aware that we just did 2 videos these past couple weeks that are quite similar to the one we're about to do right now. However, I just found another product that has diamonds in them. I'm really trying to score big. I'm too impatient. I want to win this time. So bear with me. Thank you. Back in action. We're back in the action. So last video got demonetized heavily, which is weird because all I did is test a jacuzzi for my nuts. But you guys gave it so many thumbs up, so many comments that you guys actually reversed that process in like 2 days. Thank you so much. Please do the same on this. If you guys give tons of thumbs up and comments on this one and help reverse the demonetization again, that'll be like the 8th video in a row and that would be awesome. So thank you guys so much. Very sick. YouTube sharing our stuff. We're getting our views back and I couldn't be more stoked. You guys rock. NameBran fam, bro. So real quick for this video, before we get into stuff, we actually have a special unboxing, if I can rip this tape, from the good old boys over at Rose Gold and Black. Now these guys are actually sponsoring the video today. Love them to death. They sent me a package with new product, and as you guys know, if you don't know actually already, what they sell is chains, watches, bracelets, rings, a bunch of low-key items to make you look pretty cool, I think. So we got the package open. Don't know what we're expecting today, but I'm very stoked to have a little extra unboxing in this. So if you guys actually want to go shop Rose Gold and Black, I love these guys. Good people too. Oh damn! Oh cool. Look at the packaging first off, and then if you guys see, that's their necklace right here. They just put out a lot of low-key stuff, which I'm really into right now, even though I've got like diamonds on and stuff like that, but I'm not really into the diamonds around my neck right now. I think it's too cluttered. Also, I just found out my chain that I thought was real diamonds that I got customized is fake, so this is good for me. But if you guys want to rock with these guys, using the link down below, you guys could get a specific 20% off plus free shipping using the link. Also makes me look good for the brand, so please do that. Damn, that looks awesome. I really like that. Also at checkout, once using that link, you can use Feb sale, F-E-B, for February sale for another 10% off your order. Anyway, man, Rose Gold and Black, we appreciate you, and I just got word they're selling out quick, so act fast, click the link, do what you need to do. Let's get on to this. So if you guys are unaware of the 2 videos I talked about at the beginning, I recently just unboxed candles that come with diamonds in them, and if you're lucky, you get a really expensive diamond. Now after I did that, my buddy Seth Fowler, shout out to you, texted me and he sent me a video of these boxes apparently that also have diamonds in them, but 1 in 24 have a diamond in them. So less odds than we had before, but from what I've heard, I haven't done too much research, my research kind of sucks, but what I've heard is you can get like a big diamond if you're really lucky. So what this is pretty much an unboxing of a bunch of products I just got off Amazon, and hopefully one of these out of all the products have diamonds in them. This one's special. What the hell? Okay, cool. So let me explain to you guys what I got here real quick. From, once again, my boy hitting me up telling me that these are products that you can get. I searched it up, obviously. He said, bro, you should do an unboxing. Now, from what I've heard, this right here is the actual product that came out first. I guess to get to the diamond, you have to break something open, something like that. This is the real one, though. This one cost me $15 on Amazon. These ones are maybe not knockoff, because they're still 1 in 24 packs. You're gonna get a diamond in it, but they were cheaper. They were $5. So this one we're gonna save to last to open because I feel like the real product's probably gonna be the best. And then also I found this one right here that 1 in 24 of these has a piece of gold in it. So that's what the video is. I hope we score big because once again, hey man, we're trying to get a bag and also a great title. I don't even know where to start, man. So I guess we're just gonna start off opening the first one and just showing exactly what it is. The video he sent me I didn't watch because I wanted to be surprised. I just kind of skipped through till I found out the brand of what it was so I could find it and buy it for myself. So what we have is a, god damn, this is messy. It's a heart-shaped or diamond-shaped sandy thing. Oh shit, with lots of sand in it. Oh, Seth, I loved you for the idea, now I'm starting to hate you, you idiot. So I guess you break these up. My girlfriend's gonna kill me. You break these open, and once again, 1 in 24 have a diamond. We ain't wasting any time. We got a little pickaxe here, which doesn't do anything. Ugh, this is the worst idea. All right, we're gonna do the first one the proper way. The other ones, we might have to find a little cleaner solution, because this is gonna get everywhere. You know what I just realized too, actually, while digging through? Oh! Dude, we hit! We hit! We hit! We hit! The first one we got! Okay, we got a little bag right here. Oh my god! Let's go! What the f? Okay, no diamond. I don't know what the hell that is. Apparently we lost. Apparently they give you this and tell you to go suck it. On to the next. Just gonna scoop that in. This is like little fairy dust. One down. Oh, I forgot to say, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more to open. This one better be something cool, dude. I just need a real diamond. I just need one real diamond and I'm gonna be satisfied. Oh, now this one comes with a shovel. So great. Chuck it in. God damn, open up. Woo! We scored again. Damn it! Alright, I'm not even gonna waste my time opening this. It's another one of these things. And if you guys are wondering what's on the end, it's not a diamond. And it's definitely not gold. It's a little charm. It. That was our second one. More to go. Also, if you guys are wondering about the brand, it's called Mine It Diamond. Now, the only reason I got one of the actual original ones is because they only had one left. And I searched everywhere all over the internet to find more. It's the only one I could find. So I might have got the last in the world, which I should probably sell on eBay for a good, I don't know, 50 grand. Till then, we'll go with the knockoff. God, we got another one. Come on, baby. Let's go, another one. We have 2 more of these left. We got this gold one, then we got this special actual one that costs a lot of money. And also, if we get something, I'll diamond test it too. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Saucer in. Oh, God! Another one of those. I don't know if the camera showed it. It's another one of what you thought. So, I got 6 of these ones, which means we had a 6 in 24 chance of getting a diamond or something like that, if that's what math is. Let's open it. Warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3. Baloney, man. I'm not trusting my kids till they're like at least 16 with these. These are a mess. Let's go. Next one. Oh, no! Alright, so this is the last one of these pink little ones. Then we got our 2 special ones left. I'm actually now just getting pissed off. Rip off. We're done all these. God, okay. We're gonna get into this gold one, then we're gonna go for the special one. Or should we, I don't know. I wish I could ask you guys what one we go for first, because I'm actually asking myself that. I'm really trying to save best for last. We're gonna go with the gold. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay, so this one actually comes with a magnifying glass, which is awesome, which means our chunk of gold is not gonna be able to be seen by the human eye. Take it, drop it. We found a block. A block that's not gold. I thought that was maybe, I saw little shards of gold. It looked like some Minecraft type crap. That's just a solid block. So I guess maybe that's like the, hey, you didn't win, but you got something good, you idiot. Last one though, we got the ultimate this one is called the Diamond, Diamond Digit. So that YouTuber that put it out, shoot, what's a Max Mofo? This is what Seth, the link that Seth sent me, my buddy. God damn! We have another one of these. Alright, so, sorry about the mess, but that's what we're working with. The last one, boys. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. What the hell is that? Is that a sugar cube? Oh, that hurt. Oh, it's sandy. That might be a piece of chipped marble with a bunch of the blue sand around it. Yeah, that hurt. I also just realized we lost. That's it. That's all the product we got. Did we find a diamond? No, we didn't. And now my quest continues. I think I'm gonna do more of these videos. Sorry, but I'm not a gambler. I hate gambling. I think it's a waste of money. However, this is my new form of gambling. If I can find a diamond in these damn products, I'm gonna spend 10 grand until I find one. Thank you guys so much for watching. American the Game, the greatest of all time. Y'all are the goats. Wow.